You already know dictation and shadowing are two effective ways to train listening and speaking. But the question is, where can you practice without feeling scattered, bored, or giving up too soon? With eJOY, you can practice deep listening and shadowing in one session. eJOY is different because it doesn't only offer ready-made exercises. You can also create lessons from any content you like. Easy, medium, and hard levels help you practice without feeling discouraged. For repeated mistakes in one lesson, you can quickly pick that part and practice it again. To start, go to Explore and choose content that fits your level and goal. If you are a total beginner, start with numbers and spelling. If you need daily communication, choose everyday conversations. BBC and VOA are two popular sources. If you are B2 or above and preparing for a certificate, choose academic test lessons. To create your own lesson, select Create Audio. Paste your text here. Choose a voice and listen it. Then click Save. Your lesson is ready. Your own exercises will be saved in My Exercises. In dictation, there are 3 levels. Easy, fill in one word. Medium, fill in 3 words. You can open settings and choose which word types to hide. Hard, fill in the whole sentence. The shortcuts shown here help you type faster without using the mouse. When practicing, don't only check right or wrong. Notice your repeated mistakes, missing final sounds, mishearing words, skipping linking words, or missing reduced forms. This shows where your ears are weak so you can focus on that part. After dictation, move to shadowing. This part also has 3 levels. Easy, look and speak. Medium, speak without looking. Hard, speak without looking, within a time limit. Copy the speaker's stress, linking, pauses, and intonation. Keep practicing until your mouth gets used to the natural rhythm of English. The XP you earn after each dictation and shadowing lesson will be added to your total eJOY XP. Your practice time will also count toward each skill in learning tracking. You can start with 15 minutes a day in one short lesson, practicing both dictation and shadowing. You don't need to study for long. What matters is deep practice and regular repetition. Now, let's get started.